So this is the site for Amanda White, who is the founder of Therapy for Women. Therapy for Women is a practice based in Philadelphia, which is local to me, which is always fun. And she specializes in exactly what her name is, right? Therapy for women. So specifically, she's addressing issues with substance use and abuse, trauma, anxiety, depression, and eating disorders. So things that are common with women, and this group of women that she's formed together have really been instrumental in helping Philadelphia area women combat those issues. So this is a site that we did for her. It is a custom show it site. Amanda had tried customizing some templates and even tried building a site from scratch, but she really struggled not knowing the show it platform. So we created a brand new site for her completely from scratch. And then, of course, with all of our clients, we offer those training videos to show them how to update and maintain the site. Now, I'm actually recording this after she has already made some changes to the site. And you'll notice that she added a great COVID-19 update for her audience, just to let them know that they're offering different sessions during the pandemic. So again, I love providing those training videos because it's really helpful in someone that is not trained in Show It to easily edit and maintain their website. I never want someone dependent on me and my schedule to be able to make those changes. So we provide you with all of that knowledge so you can make those changes yourself. Now, one of my favorite things about Amanda's website is her navigation. So again, we have book an appointment right up here. Now, I forgot to mention, we also did all of the copywriting for Amanda's site. Amanda was familiar with StoryBrand, so we really wanted to incorporate that and make it super easy for someone to understand exactly what she does, who she helps, the area she specializes in, and really book an appointment, because that is the main thing that Amanda wants someone to be able to do when on her website. So if you click open the menu, we have this really cool box that kind of pops out, and it provides two resources that are really common. So most people that visit Amanda's site are going to view her services, or they're going to book an appointment. So this is a really great way for us to feature those two high ticket items. Then we have her menu, so we have all of her pages listed. And then again, book an appointment is right here, making it really, really easy for someone to do that. And then she is a brick and mortar. She has a location. So we've provided her address as well as her phone number and email. And then, of course, a way to get to her office from Google Maps. So making this super practical for Amanda's audience was really important. So once we've introduced everyone to what Amanda does and what she specializes in, we thought it was appropriate to introduce her. Amanda is a different kind of therapist. She's not in a kind of crummy basement judging you, right? She's young, she's personable, she's fun. She's innovative, right? This is a new way to kind of do therapy. So we really wanted to make Amanda's face a key piece of this website. Throughout her website, we also incorporated these fun botanical illustrations and elements. They're also watercolor. Amanda loves green, as you can see. So this was a way for us to bring in green and bring in some of that calming, natural vibes into her site and brand. We also provide where you can, or where you may have seen her. And then the big thing is that she does therapy differently. So these are kind of her 3 touch points. Therapy, how and when you need it, that it's easy and unintimidating, and that they specialize in overlapping issues. So I really love that we did this right on the homepage and talked about what makes Amanda different and why you should book her versus another therapist. Then we have her Meet the Therapist page. So this again provides an intro into really what she does and that relationship that she feels is so important to have between the therapist and a client. We have a testimonial. And then this section I really love. So we introduce Amanda, and then you can also learn more about her. So this tells you a little bit more about her education and experience and her specialties. And then fun facts, which is super unique, especially for a therapist website. So we have some fun facts, and then you can go back to the beginning. We've gone ahead and done that for all of her therapists. So right now she has 6. So we have some information about them, their headshot, and then if you click to learn more, it tells you about education, experience, and specialty, and then those fun facts. Now, Amanda also offers services, of course, and it was really important that we kind of talk about individual therapy, video counseling, group therapy, and EMDR. So those are her 4 things that she offers. And of course, those testimonials, which in Amanda's case, it was really important that we made those private. Amanda is also planning to offer in-person events and wellness functions. So we did create an events page for her, as well as a page for her retreat, which usually happens about once a year, where a group of women can get together and really focus on their health and well-being. So this is Amanda's blog. We've separated her blog categories right up here so that someone can click on something and then really quickly get to all of Amanda's resources about that topic. But this is just the main blog page. So we have an image, we have the title, we have a little excerpt, and then a link to read more. And of course, a fun sidebar that really hits those main points: meeting the therapist, booking an appointment, and even seeing some frequently asked questions. So we absolutely loved designing this custom site for Amanda. It was really refreshing to design a website that normally would feel very corporate and really make it super personable and fun.